Have you ever watched a video and seen your favorite creator in a new house or driving a fancy car and thought, how are they doing that? It's a question that floats around the internet constantly. The mystery of YouTuber income is one of the platform's biggest, most captivating secrets. People see subscriber counts in the millions and assume that translates directly to millions of dollars in the bank. But the truth is so much more complex and honestly so much more interesting than that. It's a world of diverse income streams, strategic business decisions, and a whole lot of hard work that happens long after the camera stops rolling. This isn't just about getting lucky, it's about building a business from the ground up, with a camera and an internet connection as your primary tools. The common perception is that it's all about the ads. Let's begin with the most visible source of income: YouTube ads. This is what everyone knows, or thinks they know. When your channel becomes eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, which currently requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year, you can turn on monetization. This connects your channel to Google AdSense. Now we get to the core of how most full-time YouTubers sustain their careers: brand deals and sponsorships. This is when a company pays a creator to feature, mention, or review their product or service in a video. Unlike AdSense, which is brokered by YouTube, these are direct deals negotiated between the creator or their agent and the brand. The creator has full control over the rate they charge, and they get to keep 100% of the fee, minus any agent commissions. Beyond ads and sponsorships lies another massive pillar of the creator economy: merchandise. This is the practice of selling physical or digital products directly to your audience. It started simply with creators printing their logos or catchphrases, but over the years, it has evolved into a sophisticated and highly profitable business venture. For many top creators, merchandise sales can rival or even exceed their income from AdSense and sponsorships combined. Alright, so while ads, sponsorships, and merch are all about selling to a broad audience, there's actually another set of tools that let creators earn money from their most loyal and dedicated fans. The most prominent of these is channel memberships. This feature allows viewers to pay a monthly recurring fee, usually starting at around $5. While YouTube's built-in tools are great, many creators look to third-party platforms. The undisputed king of this space is Patreon, launched in 2013, so we've covered the main pillars of income. But what separates the good creators from the great ones? Top earners on YouTube are not just entertainers, they are astute business people who have mastered lesser-known strategies. One of the biggest secrets is the concept of building an income stack, which means diversifying revenue streams so aggressively that no single source accounts for more than 20 to 30% of their total income. Another key strategy is leveraging their influence to launch their own businesses. This goes a step beyond simple merchandise. Think of creators like Emma Chamberlain, who used her platform to launch Chamberlain Coffee. The world of YouTube income is filled with myths and misconceptions. The biggest one is probably the subscriber myth, the idea that a high subscriber count directly equals a high income. This is fundamentally untrue. You can have a channel with 10 million subscribers that posts viral compilations and makes less money than a channel with 200,000 subscribers. If you're an aspiring creator inspired by this world, you might be wondering where to start. The first and most important piece of advice is to focus on creating valuable content before you even think about money. Your primary goal should be to build a community around a topic you are genuinely passionate about. Don't chase trends or pick a niche just because you think it will be profitable. Audiences can spot a lack of passion a mile away. Consistency and quality are your best friends. Once you meet the eligibility requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, turn on monetization. This is your first step. The journey from zero to your first paycheck and eventually to a sustainable income is a long one. But by building a strong community and diversifying your income streams early, you can turn a creative passion into a rewarding and financially viable career.